If you told me I would ever buy $16 nail clippers, I'd tell you you were insane. But you know what? These guys promise to improve everything that I hate about my typical nail cutters, so I saw the ad on Facebook, I bought one. EDJY nail cutters, made in the USA, a cut above. Also, real talk guys, I keep saying EDJY, it's edgy. Like it edges your nails, right? Like it's edgy, it's cute. Too edgy for me to understand clearly, but yeah. Their nail cutter supposedly actually cuts your nail. It doesn't just kind of pinch it and clip it off like your traditional clippers. You know, the nails fly all over. You gotta file them after if you really want them to be nice. Supposedly this gets rid of all those problems. I don't know, let's see. It ships in this nice pouch with the branding. Pop her open. You got your box. Compound curve, single blade. Efficiency. We like these things. We like that. I've made sure to let my nails grow just a little too long because I knew this was coming. I wanted to try it out. I wanted to show you what I thought. There's a QR code on the back to scan for more information about your nail cutters. QR code on nail cutters. What a time to be alive. So they've got some entirely long, cute story about archaeologists and nail cutting and how it dates back to the beginning of time. Isn't that fun? A cut above. Really simple instructions that show you how to do it. You can't flip this thing around. You gotta go in the way it shows you. Here she is. It's this kind of nice blue color. Honestly, this doesn't matter whatsoever. Not at all, but I'm not a huge fan of this shade of blue. I would have preferred a darker blue, like a navy, or I don't know. It doesn't matter. It really doesn't matter, but weird that this is the color they settled on. I guess it's neutral? I don't know. I already don't know how to use it. Just slide out, stop, other side up. Okay, we got that down. How do I actually open it? I figured it out. That's a cover. Very ergonomic. Very nice to hold. Look at that. There's our nail pre-clip. I'm gonna go ahead, get her in there. Still clips right off. Oh, that is smooth though. And it's right, it doesn't like bend it, it just clips onto my floor, so I'm gonna have to figure that one out. Don't we all clip our nails in the middle of our living room on a camera? Oh, that's nice. It just clips right off. No mess, no fuss. Oh, and it's smooth. Is it $16.50 smooth? I don't know. I guess it's not like it goes bad. Cool. So I just went and finished clipping my nails. I've got thoughts. Worked pretty well. Their claim of the nails not really breaking off and flying away, no, that's not true. That happens just the same. Maybe not as much, but it happens. Two, you can't really get as close as you might have with traditional clippers for whatever reason. And maybe that's not a bad thing. I think people cut their nails a bit too short. It's really not a life-changing experience, but it is quite nice. And your nails are a bit smoother immediately after. That's very noticeable. They're not nearly as jagged as they would be if you'd used traditional clippers. So, not bad. I guess I'm happy with it. It's, I don't know, 16 bucks, free shipping. It's nothing crazy. It's not dirt cheap, but I don't know, what's a traditional pair cost? I guess just a few bucks, right? Yeah, give it a shot. EDJY nail clippers. Let me know if there's another one somehow I should be trying in the comments that's better than this. I don't know. See you guys.